my God! Look at that! Look at that! Look how far! Look how far! Woo! All right. Oh, that was cool. Oh my God. Oh, I'm very cold. Look at that. It's amazing. My face is frozen. Oh my God. My fingers, everything. Now I have to put my hands in hot water now because it's very hot. I'm making a video. It's very cold, eh? Oh, my hand is frozen already. Oh, you're stuck there? You're stuck there or what?
No.
All right.
I'm waiting for my brother.
Okay. All right.
Are you filming?
Yep. A little bit, but I'm very cold. Look at that. Woohoo! Let's walk a little bit just to show you guys how is this one here now. It's crazy, this snow. Look at that. And it's very cold. It's very, very cold. I'm using an umbrella because if not, the camera gonna get wet with the snow. Look at that. And the wind is so strong. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that car. Oh my. It's so crazy. I just want to go and walk a little bit and show you guys how high is the snow. But it's cold. It's very cold. Cold. It's very cold. I have to cover the camera too. So it's not. Oh yeah, okay. I'm just gonna walk through the. I'm gonna walk a little bit through the. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes, guys, this is Toronto. Just not downtown Toronto, but it's Toronto, right? So, just want to show you guys how is this here. It's tough. Very cold too. I'm gonna see until when I can record a little bit. If not, the camera is gonna get wet. I don't want it to get wet. So look at that. Uh-oh. Almost fall down. Look at that. Look at that. I have to cover it with the umbrella a little bit because it's a lot. Lot of snow. Lot of snow. A lot of snow. Lot. Look at this. The cars. Look at the cars. They're getting covered. Well, look at that. Look how it is. It's looking like I'm already cold and I just came out. Nobody want to come out today. Nobody want to be out. But I want to just do a little bit of video. A little bit. Just to show you guys how is this today. Then I go back home. Look at that, everywhere. Look at the people. Everywhere. It's crazy. Today is crazy, everywhere. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, gee. It's amazing, but it's crazy. I'm gonna go home right away. Look at the pile. Look at the pile of snow. Look at the pile over there. So high. The playground of the kids. Look at that thing. Look at the playground. The playground there. Oh my God. So crazy. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. Whew. Oh my God. Look how it's dropping. Look how it's dropping. It's like it. I love it. This place is nice to do camping. Stay the whole night here. Stay the whole night, and this place is gonna be amazing in the cold. So I gotta make a lot of firewood, wood fire. Yeah, look at that. Okay, I think I finished for today because I'm getting very cold. So that's good for now. Oh my God, this is lots of snow. I can't do much because look at the river here. Look at the river there too. Look at that. Look at the whole area here, how it looks. Look at that. It's looking amazing, amazing place. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, I gotta go. I'm very cold. My hands are very cold too, so, all right. I'm gonna walk all inside there. When I come camping, I'm gonna do that. Everywhere here. Tomorrow I'm gonna record with my drone. And but now I gotta run, going back home, cause I can't take any more cold. So my fingers are frozen already. All right. Oh my God. So nice. Look at that. It's so huge. This pile of snow, huge piles. Oof. Okay. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run home. Look at it. Look at my shoes. I put this jacket because it's better. Like that. Oh, this is huge. Oof. Not cold? You guys not cold? Oh my God. I'm going back home. This is a lot. Look at that. Matching guy. Putting snow away. The guy there with the machine. Hey! I'm gonna record this one. Yeah, go ahead. Look at that. Look at that. Look how far. Look how far. Woo! All right. Oh, that was cool. Oh my God. Oh, I'm very cold. Look at that. It's amazing. My face is frozen. Oh my God. My fingers, everything. Now I have to put my hands in hot water now because it's very hot. I'm making a video. It's very cold, eh? Oh, my hand is frozen already. All right, man. Oh, shit. Oh, you're stuck there? You're stuck there or what?
No.
All right.
I'm waiting for my brother.
Okay. All right.
Are you filming?
Yep. A little bit, you know, but I'm very cold. Woo. Woo. Oh, my fingers. My fingers are crazy, you know. I gotta go in. My fingers are killing me. 17. This is the place where I live. This is the place where I live, guys. Oh. I want to reach home now. Oh, jeez. This is the place I'm living.